So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba enable ang fingerprint authentication sa ating Eagle BH app. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Eagle BH app. So make sure guys na nakalagin yung account niyo dito sa ating Eagle BH. So ayan guys, pagka-open mula dito sa pinakang homepage, itap lang natin dito yung account na nandito sa lower right corner. And dito naman guys, piliin nyo lang or hanapin nyo yung settings. So tap lang natin yung settings. And dito naman guys, sa settings, hanapin nyo lang dyan yung fingerprint authentication. So bagong update to guys ni Eagle BH app. So kung hindi pa naka-enable yung fingerprint authentication ninyo, enable nya na kasi mas makakatulong to para mapabilis yung paglalagin ninyo ng inyong account sa Eagle BH app. So tap lang natin guys yung fingerprint authentication. And dito guys, may makikita kayong switch button sa right side nya. So ang gagawin nyo lang para ma-enable o ma-turn on, tap lang natin yung switch button. And pagkatap ng switch button guys, enter nyo lang yung inyong PIN sa ating Eagle BH app. And ayan guys, pagka-enter, tap natin yung OK. And kung makikita nyo guys, naka-enable na yung ating fingerprint authentication. So ayan guys, dapat kulay green yan para naka-enable siya. So kapag daw enable natin ang ating fingerprint authentication, mas gaganda yung security ng ating account. And bukod pa dun guys, hassle-free siya kasi nga ilalagay nyo lang yung inyong fingerprint para makalagin. So ayan lang guys, ganun lang simple kung paano nga ba enable ang fingerprint authentication sa ating Eagle BH app. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.